Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal parking light bulb in the front of your YJ. I'll tell you what bulb size it is. Before we roll into that, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and either myself or one of the subscribers will reply back to you. It's a whole bunch of Jeep guys on the forum, so let's get rolling on this and I'll show you what's involved with it. Okay, so to remove the lens, there's two Phillips head screws, so you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And they should come out pretty easily for you. Let's take that one out. You're going to want to remove that one. Then on the back, the socket twists and locks into place into the housing. There's a little clip right here. So take the clip, move it to the side, twist and pull out, and that's how the housing comes out. If you needed to replace it, you put it back in. Here is the bulb. So to change the parking light bulb, you're gonna twist and just pull the bulb out. There's a little tip on it that locks it in place, and this particular bulb number is a 3384. I bought a replacement one. These Jeeps from the factory have an amber parking light turn signal lens in the front, but I chose to go clear, so I had to get an amber bulb. But if you go to the parts store, the clear bulb should be the same part number or pretty similar to it. So just match it up in a parts store, and if you can't find the correct one, the guy at the counter can help you. But like I said, this amber one, it's a 3384. You know, you might go to the bulb section in the parts store, and it could be something like a 3384 CL for clear, or it should be the same number but just clear. So to put it back in, you kind of twist into place, push it down a little bit, turn, it'll lock in. Then take your parking light turn signal housing, take the socket, you're going to have to twist it. There's a few little indentations here. There are 3 of them. So what that allows you to do is to line this up. And remember that tip on the side. You have to press that in. That locks it in place. It's going to turn like that. And now it's locked in place. This little tip right here will allow it to stay locked in. So push it back in place. Then take your 2 Phillips head screws. Don't crank down on these because they can crack pretty easy. Just put enough pressure on the lens to hold it in place. Put the other one in. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure at all. It's easy to crack them. These things are never made out of the best plastic. That's all they are, is plastic. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a quick and easy down and dirty video for you guys who might be that familiar with Jeeps or cars in general. Wanted to show you how to tackle this one. If you have any questions, totally leave us a comment. I'll reply back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I don't want you to really miss anything. There's a lot of great content coming out and it helps us out too. So until next time, I'll see you later. Take it easy, guys.